How to see the street view in the Google Maps on your Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to see the street view in the Google Maps, here is what should be done. First of all, head over to the Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar. Type in Maps and search for your Google Maps. Make sure to update the application to the latest version if there is any latest update available. Tapping on it should automatically start the download, followed by the installation. Once it is completed, you must be able to tap on the Open button available in the same page. This will now launch your Google Maps application. And now tap on the search bar at the top and type the location of the street view or the location that you want to see. Once you tap on it, a small icon should be available just above the name of the location. This indicates that the location has the street view available. Tap on it and you should be able to check for that location. However, keep in mind that all the locations do not have street view available in Google Maps. So, in some cases, you might not be able to see the icon or the small section. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.